Hi everybody. Okay, today I got some nails. Yay! Okay, I want to give away and I want to talk about it. Okay, um, I'm so blessed. I want this giveaway from Natural BeBe. So I got her information right here. So check her out. Okay, I decided to go ahead and go into the giveaway, and I got my box right here. So I haven't opened it or anything like that. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I got the address and stuff, so I got that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and we're gonna see what's in it. Okay. Let's get it open. Okay, we're just going through this part. I'm just fast forwarding it because I'm sure you don't want to see me opening up a package. Okay, so here is Julia. I'm so excited, y'all. So you want to see what it is? That's so cute. They gave you a little bag if you want to do like a gift or something. A cute little gift bag. Nice sturdy big gift bag. And you can write little notes in the It's like it's an envelope. I'm gonna put the information down in the chat I was saying. But you can write a little note and put it inside the envelope. So they just got it all prepared for you. Okay, it comes with this book right here. And it's really nice because it shows you like the different rings and jewelries that they have in there. And they all are beautiful. They have a lot of beautiful rings in there. So this is what I have right here. I'm excited. Oh, it fell out. Oopsie. So let me fit that back in there real quick. Let me act like it never happened. I decided to just leave it in. I thought it was funny. Okay, so let's try this again. There it is right there. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on. You see that? It's beautiful. Yes, it's a wedding ring. The wedding band and the ring. So I thought it was nice to have. Okay, so I'm showing you a better look. Hopefully you can see it better. That way I put it on my finger and see what you think. So it's perfect size. It moves around my finger a little bit, but it stays on. So yeah, it's beautiful. So I got me a new wedding ring. Got me a new wedding ring. Yeah, that was at one point we had stopped like wearing wedding rings because just looking at the pagan origin of them. But you know, like this is what people look at to see if you're married. So we decided that we was gonna get some more wedding bands and rings, and I happen to win this. Yay! So thank you, Natural Baby. I appreciate it so much. She sent it off quick and everything, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate this ring. It's really beautiful, and yeah, I like it. So I hope you like my free ring. Yes, I'm saying thank you. Thank you so much. So just kind of showing y'all the book and going through it because there are some nice things in this book, y'all. So go to their website and see all that they have to offer because they have really pretty jewelry in there. And they give you like all the information on it, on the jewelry. So yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I'm excited. I'm happy with it. I probably would like a bracelet, out of there. Those rings are beautiful. Animal lovers. Okay, so y'all, this is the final look of my ring. I just had to show y'all again. I'm so excited for my ring. Yes, it's a little bit big, but it doesn't fall on my finger. So I pray y'all enjoyed this, and I do want to say, like I always say, remember Jesus loves you, and I do too. Be blessed.